Assalam Alaikum, dear viewers. As we stand on the threshold of a new year, let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we have shared on the motivational page and channel of Immersive Thoughts by NG in 2023. We have come a long way together, haven't we? Each quote, each video, a step on the path of inspiration. Your support has been the fuel propelling us forward. As we look back, remember the challenges we have overcome, the victories we have celebrated, and the lessons we have learned. It's been a year of growth and resilience. Quotes that stirred your soul, videos that touched your heart. These weren't just content, they were moments of connection, reminders of the strength within you. Now, as we stand on the brink of a new chapter, I want to feel the anticipation of what lies ahead. The canvas of 2024 is blank, waiting for us to paint it with dreams and achievements. Embrace the unknown, for within it lies the opportunity for new beginnings, fresh perspectives, and uncharted growth. Just like the sunrise, every new day brings the promise of hope and renewal. Let this new year be the dawn of a brighter, more empowered version of yourself. As we step into 2024, expect exciting changes on our page and channel. We are committed to bringing you more inspiring content, fresh ideas, and a renewed dedication to your journey of personal growth. Stay tuned for new challenges, thought-provoking quotes, and motivational videos designed to uplift and empower you every step of the way. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey. Your support fuels our passion. Let's welcome the new year together with open hearts and minds. Here's to 2024, a year of limitless possibilities. If you enjoyed this journey and are excited for what's to come, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's make 2024 our best year yet.